Okay, so my brisket is ready to roll in this oven. So I'm going to go ahead and get my oven open. And I'm going to need to take out my oven tray actually because I have a big pan, as you can see right here. And I'm definitely going to need another pot holder. So good to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy in. Now this is a Big Daddy Dutch oven, so even though this mini is one of the smaller cookers, it easily fits the Dutch oven. And that's really nice because it's kind of really nice to make dinner in one single pot. So I'm all about that. Yeah, so let's do our hand at the brisket. Doesn't look like my oven actually closed. That's why you want to use your tool. Otherwise it can pop on you. So boom, doing the oven gets it really secure and keeps it nice and hot.